Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and Merry Christmas from a miserable day in Scotland. So as you saw in the title and the thumbnail, in today's video what we're going to do is we're going to detail the outside of this brand new Tesla Model Y and then give it a ceramic coat with Avalon King's Armor Shield 9. And apparently this particular ceramic coat can do wheels as well as paint. So we'll ceramic coat the wheels as well. Now there's an awful lot to do in this video because first we're going to have to wash it, then machine polish it, then give it its coating, and we might even give it 2 coats depending on how much is left. So with that, let's crack on, get this thing washed, then we'll get it in the garage because it is absolutely freezing. Man, I love cleaning brand new cars. It's so easy. Right, so obviously you saw me wash it twice. Put some snow foam down, let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes, power washed that off and that removed a lot of the surface dirt. And then went at it again with the 2 bucket method. Dirty bucket, clean bucket. I do have a video on how to use the 2 bucket method if you guys want to check that out. But for just now, what we need to do, get the car into the garage, dry it off, then inspect the paint, and then it'll be time to crack on with the machine polishing. Right, so now the car's dry, and you guys might struggle to see this, but there is quite a few paint imperfections. Let's don the trusty light on the phone and go and take a look. So as you can see, this is the bonnet. A few scratches and scuffs here and there. But it's in not bad nick, considering it's travelled all the way from China. A few scratches there on the wing. A-pillar's got a few scratches and stuff. The sides are in pretty good nick though. Like all the way down there isn't really much there. Mainly just the bonnet. And then the boot's quite bad. Looks like it's been machine polished already by somebody. This side's nowhere near as bad, thankfully. And a few scratches here and there. But overall, she's in a not bad state for a brand new car. I've seen far worse. Now obviously this is quite a large car. It's going to take me quite a long time to machine polish it. So what I'll do is I'll give you guys the highlights of the machine polishing, and then we'll wipe the whole car down with an isopropyl alcohol, and then it'll be time to try out this new ceramic coat. Right, so that's the car machine polished and isopropyl alcohol wiped. And as you saw from some of the clips, about 98 to 99% of the scratches have been removed. Some of them I think are actually underneath the top coat, so I can't fix them. I don't want to be too aggressive with it because it is new paint. But from the bits we identified before we started machine polishing, they've all now been removed, including the boot lid, which was in a pretty bad state but is now looking spectacular, as well as the marks on the front wing and on the bonnet. So now what we need to do, okay, so slight change of plans. I just read the instructions for the Armor All ceramic coat, and there's absolutely no way I can apply it to the car right now. And the reason why, I'll hold the instructions there so you can pause it and read them if you want. But basically what it says is, I've got to leave the car for at least 48 hours and don't expose the car to water for 4 to 7 days afterward. And just to recap from the start of the video, it's the winter in Scotland, so I'm not going to be able to keep the car dry for 4 to 7 days. So change of plan. I'm going to go from a tried and tested and very much loved ceramic and graphene paste wax by Turtle Wax, because this stuff is amazing. So anyway, no time like the present, so let's crack on and get this thing waxed. Right, that's the car now waxed. And one thing I forgot to mention earlier on when I was talking about the paste wax is that you can apply it and then get the car wet straight away and it won't affect the quality of the finish, which is exactly what we're looking for in a daily driver car like this one. So let's get the car outside and see the end result. That's how a Tesla should look when it comes from the factory. Absolutely spotless. So anyway, with that, that's going to be the end of this week's episode, guys and girls. I hope you liked it. I hope you had an awesome Christmas, and I wish you all the best for 2023. And for those of you that have stuck around till the end of the video, you'll see hiding just over here, the van's back. So we're going to need to do some final finishing touches to that. But anyway, as always, I hope you're keeping well and I hope you're keeping safe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.